Hello everybody and welcome back to Average Joe's Garage. This video is video 3, the last video in the video series of how to convert your non-SRT body kitted 2015 up Dodge Charger to the SRT body kit. We've already covered the hood, the front bumper, the fog lights, and the side moldings / skirts. Today, the back bumper and its assorted parts. So without further ado, let's take a look at the parts and the prices. Here is the main blown up view of parts, showing everything that you'll need. Of course, you're going to need yourself a rear bumper. You just need to choose whether you have the backup sensors or not. Of course, you're going to need yourself some trim bezels, so you'll need yourself one for the right, and of course, you'll need the trim bezel for the left. And this is the piece that every kit out there lacks. It's the closure panel. And why do you need the closure panel? To fill up the space between the car and the rear valance. If you don't have the closure panel, you have a gap between the car and the rear valance, which is pictured here. Now there's one thing I would like to say about the closure panel. The closure panel is not included with the Ikon or the Duraflex or any of those. And if you look at any of the videos that are posted, you'll see that people are always like, oh, I got this gap here, and they're flipping their valance. That's because there's no closure panel there. So even if you don't go Dodge and you go with the Ikon or something other, you have to get the closure panel or you'll have a big old gap there. So I just wanted to clear that up for everybody. That is the one part that is not included in any of these other kits. So regardless, you have to get that. And with that being said, we've got all three of our parts here. I've covered everything that I've done to the car to put the SRT body kit on. I did not do the spoiler, which I probably will do at some point down the road. So I just hope that this video series has helped everybody to find the parts that they need. I did a lot of the homework for you, and everything is all laid out. It doesn't matter, as long as you got a 2015 up Charger, you are good to go. You got all the parts list that you need. You've got some prices to look at. There's probably better ones out there on the internet. Now, I'm sure some of you would like to see the process of getting this all done. However, I don't paint. I'm not a body guy. I had the professionals do it. So they got the parts, they did the paint, they did all the assembly, and they did it all for me. I paid somebody that knew what they were doing. Can't help a guy for wanting to go the right route. So yes, it would have been nice to have the videos, but alas, I let the people that know what they're doing do the work. So until next time, Average Joe's out. Please like, subscribe, comment, and even hit the bell for notifications if you'd like to see more from Average Joe's Garage.